Hi guys, welcome back to KCFS Academy. So guys, just want to look into briefly of what we are expecting from the market this week. Last week was tough, man. I saw everything, but I get nothing. Well, this week let's see how it goes. So let's definitely move into the chart and look up to what we are expecting and some reasons behind it. So let's go like three pairs. I'll be doing three good pairs. So this is AUD, USD, and we're expecting a buy. Might break this high, it might break this high when it gets here or might not, right? But the thing that we're expecting now is when it comes back to this here, let's look for a rejection, then we can have a buying. So what's our reason? How we do it. Firstly, we always move to our higher time frames, um, weekly, monthly. Now from weekly, we are observing that this was the exact zones that the weekly has been rejecting. It is on a downtrend. Actually, it's a downtrend, right? Well, the market after hitting this low, it goes back to this high, right? So we am seeing it that it won't still go back to that high before any other move, right? Going back to that high. But we are not gonna be like, because we see it's buying now, we won't start buying at once. Just still have to wait for confirmation before we buy. So when the market is buying, and we also pay attention to weekly. This is what we have on weekly, showing a bullish, right? So we are still looking out for the buy. Now we go to daily, where we have everything done as a day trader, and then we see that this was a change of color to the downside, breaks in, bounce out again, come back to this proposal, and it also breaks in. So we are expecting a buy. So the next thing is, where are you expecting a buy when you confirm an entry? We have to buy from a support zone, right? So this is definitely a good support zone for us to buy. So we're expecting a buy from here. When the market gets here, rejection by 4 hours, we're going on a buy. So this is roughly 1:4.3 something. That's okay for us. And again, the another entry we are having this week is on gold. Gold is definitely breaking this high. You see, I got this entry here last week. I still missed it. I should have given me all I wanted, but I missed this entry for. But all the same, we see gold has already broken out this high, right? You see that this high is already crossed last week. So it's gonna be creating another higher high on gold. So what we have to do now, definitely we have to just wait patiently. The market is gonna come back, definitely bounce here or anywhere around this zone with a double lows in 4 hours. You'll be entering on a buy. When I mean double low, I mean something. Whenever we see something like this, we are going on a buy, right? It will be definitely, but our support zone for the buy is here. So we keep watching and see if the market's gonna come back around this one on good. Then we'll be creating and looking out for a higher high, right? Creating a higher high, which this was the highest one. So we're expecting to this zone because this was where the market bounced before shrinking. See, so this high is what I look for here. So we also keep you guys updated. This is what we are expecting on good, guys. So stop playing. Let's still wait for it this week. So the last entry I'll be looking at for here is in Euro. So I have an entry in Euro. If Euro comes back this soon, also be going for a buy. Guys, the reason of all this is, for this one, we have already mapped our structures and every other thing. The market is definitely a bullish trend on Euro. Definitely, it looks like a bullish, right? Okay, a downtrend from here, and then start buying. But before the downtrend, this is the exact zone where market have to put in this for notification. So when the market can get up to there, we see if it's gonna cross or gonna be bouncing. That was where market has been selling. So this is what we are expecting from the market. Definitely now by next week, we'll be going definitely on a buy. On a correct buy, if the market comes back here and rejects, we are timing this 144, and we believe that it's when it gets there, if it crosses this high, then we expect another up or all-time high. But if it gets there and did not cross, we expect a low. We expect it to come back again. But if it crosses it, like the gold, we are going on a buy, more buys, right? So guys, It's all we're expecting from the market this week. I'll keep you guys updated on my Facebook. If you're not on my Facebook page, you might miss it. But if you're on my Facebook page, KCFS, go and see what is happening there. Get your analysis, use a proper risk, and make your money for free. But this video fully will be dropping on my YouTube. Just updating you guys as how the first week of September will be. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's see. We have an entry on BTC. I don't know what it's doing, but let's see. I did not trade it. I just did it and I confirmed the sell. Let's see what BTC is doing. BTC US. I have an entry on BTC USD, but I don't know about. Let's see what it's doing here. Okay, definitely it's having a manipulation. Like I have a sell from here. On BTC. I thought I put something. I don't know. Is it this one? Yeah, this one. So it is still under manipulation. Still under manipulation. It's just sells more and still manipulating. So we have this on BTC, guys. See, it on BTC. Stop playing. She's gonna update you. You are looking at to BTC to come back to 100k, man. Around 100k this side. We don't know what's gonna happen. It might bounce up, but from definitely what we are seeing now, we are seeing it's alright. It's already broke in this low, alright, to tell us it's a sell. I'll go to 4 hours. Make sure we are selling from a good high. This was another high here. We have this guy, so that's the reason of the sell, and we have the rejections. So that's definitely for the reason for the sell. So let's keep watching what the market is gonna be doing. Let's keep watching what the market will be doing. Stop playing, guys. See you guys. Bye.